In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in ChatGPT 2026 guide. First, open ChatGPT and look to the bottom left corner of the main screen. That's where your profile icon lives. It might show your initials or a generic avatar. Click that icon to open your account menu. Think of this menu as your personal control center, where you'll find all the settings related to your profile and preferences. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the panel that houses your preferences and account controls. Inside Settings, select the section labeled Account. Here you'll see your core account details, including the email address currently linked to your ChatGPT account. Take a moment to review what's shown so you know exactly what you're changing. To begin the update, click directly on your listed email address. This tells ChatGPT you want to edit that field. For security, you'll be prompted to re-enter your password. This extra verification is a standard safeguard to confirm it's really you before allowing changes to sensitive information. Enter your password and continue. Now type in the new email address you want to use. Enter it carefully and double check for typos before you proceed. It's important to pick an address you can reliably access because it will be used for future logins and important account communications. After entering the new address, follow any additional on-screen prompts to finalize the change. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to complete a quick verification step. Just continue with what the interface presents until you see confirmation that the update is complete. If you don't see the profile icon where you expect it, try widening or maximizing your browser window, or make sure you're actually on the main chat screen rather than a nested page. The menu only appears on the primary interface. Also be aware that if your account uses single sign-on or is part of an organization, the account section may look different, or certain options might be managed by an administrator. In those cases, the ability to change your email from within ChatGPT may be limited or handled outside the app. And that is all for today. Keeping your login details current is a simple way to maintain total control over your AI workspace. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.